my client sell product in United States. You want to extend its brand, it's the product demand in United Arab Emirates. So how I do this process? So let's get started. So first of all, I'm in Sales Central. I click three dot icon and click growth, marketplace, guidance. So it takes some time to show us amazing interface. So yeah, global demand for your product. So the source store is basically in United States, and target store sale forecast is United Arab Emirates. So set isn't our brand name. So you click the set isn't and apply. So look at this. This is my client product, and this is the seller who sell same product in our client product. So this is the brand name, the 6, 7, 8 brand. The best seller is one is 165, and another is a 216, and another one is 560. So look at the upper winning price. So the price is very good, and not above in our product and customer rating. So the 2 is very high, rating 5,395, as well as 1738 as the upper prices. So this product sells the 5 other seller, reseller, and this one is 6, and this is 1, 1, 2. So look at the compare 1 year sale, year sold. So in 2023, 1997, as the 2024 is 29. So basically, the demand of this product is a 2024 is low. Look at this is 25. The 2024 is 47, and the 2025 is 20. So why this product demand is low now in 2025 in this market? Net sale. So look at this in October 2024 is net sale as a 638. Now look at here is July 2025 as a net sale is 321, and search value. Look at this February as a count. Search value is a 1, 17 is a 117, and look at this August 2025 is search value is 67, and click count is 60, also 67. So most popular keyword customer search, and the cloth towel, table towel, fast and lift, wheat, and quick dry towel, gym towel. So 49% customers sell this type keyword, as 92 is this, as 1, 41 is this, and 5, as 62 is this gym towel. It's very high. So I can get us review. I compared 1 year review. So look at this. 2024 and 2023 is 2023 is 5, 23 is 4, now 49. So in July 2025 is 156, and July 2024 is 500. And July 2024 is very high. So the search to purchase ratio. Why search is purchase ratio is very important. So the search is purchase ratio is 130.34%. Its return ratio is very low, 5.19%. The reason for return. The performance or quality not enough, and incompatible or not useful for independent generation. So look at this. Purpose. Reviews. The creative dog not work properly. Different sperm, different. So if my clients launch this product in United Arab Emirates, we 100% recommend to solve this issue before we launch this product in the market. Then we see the now in 2025 the product demand is very low in the United Arab Emirates.